beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So this video is really exciting. Like the title says, this is going to be a Versace unboxing. So my birthday is Friday, February 15th. So last year I got myself this Gucci, and so this year I wanted to get something else, and I don't really shop designer stuff. You guys know, like, I'm a discount girl, and even when I do buy things that are a little bit more expensive, I wait till they're on sale. Like Eloquii stuff, Lane Bryant, like I wait till that's on sale because I love me a $30 top, okay? So I am a high-low type shopper. Like, this is Lane Bryant, these are ASOS. So basically I shop very fast fashion. I'm not trying to give a disclaimer, I'm just trying to say, like, I'm a regular girl, but for my birthday I like to step it up a notch. And so for my birthday this year I wanted something designer. I didn't want to spend as much as I did last year, but I also didn't want to just get anything. I wanted to get something that I really love, that I really wanted. So I knew I wanted a Versace because I came across this beautiful gold Swarovski crystal covered bag, but it was like $3,300, and I was like, girl, that's not happening. So I kept looking on the website to see what they had, and then I came across this black bag, and it's way cheaper, but it has the same Swarovski crystals. It's gorgeous and I love it. I was like, oh my god, this is such a great alternative to that really expensive gold one, because I'm a regular ass girl. Like, I'm not trying to spend that much money on a bag, but at the same time I wanted a Versace. So I kept doing the research and came across this gorgeous one, and I was like, oh, this is even better. It's classic, it's chic, it's perfect for me, and it's actually, I would say, I don't want to offend anyone, but I personally think it's relatively cheap. I think it's actually pretty inexpensive for being a Versace. I think that it is classic and chic, and it's something that's more of an investment piece that I can have forever. So let's get into it. This is my bag. Let's get into it. Also, don't mind my hands. My nails went through it this week, and I'm getting them done tomorrow on Valentine's Day, but I won't have a chance to film after I get my nails done because Valentine's Day, my birthday, is gonna be a crazy weekend, so I had to film now. So please don't judge me. I know it's just not the best look for me, but we'll just pretend that this is normal. Okay, so let's jump in. So I'm gonna start with my sunglasses. I picked up two things. I was not expecting to pick up both things, but right before I went to the store, I came across these sunglasses on the website, and I was like, damn, now I want those. And I knew that they would look beautiful on me the moment I saw them. Not to be gassed, but I was like, damn, these are so nice. So this is what the box looks like. Super beautiful with the Versace right there. And then it has all the info back here and barcode. So you open it up, sunglass box, and then this is the cloth to clean them, which I will be using because if not, you could really damage them. So this is what they look like. So they are a very, very classic, and they're heavy too. I love them. They're very classic shades. They are like a rounded cat eye, very, very classic chic style. And the sides has the gold Medusa heads, as you can see. And then on the inside, it has Versace tribute right there. And everything is just, oh my god, they're so chic. And they just look so good. Like, what do you guys think? I just like, they're so chic and classic. Babe, I'm too busy for you. Like, you're gonna have to leave. Please. Like, I'm booked. She's booked, she's busy. Like, I'm gonna need a new husband. Okay, please. Like, that's it. Like,
I'm out of here.
She's booked. She's busy. Okay, I have to end this video because I'm just too busy. Babe, what do you think?
Fire.
Come look.
I looked.
Wow, he took one look.
Hot fire.
Aren't they fab? Ah, she's booked. They're so, so cute. So yeah, these are something that are so classic. Like, they go with anything, literally anything. You can't go wrong. So this is what it looks like from the side, from the front, and then the other side. And then, like I was telling you, on the inside it says Versace tribute. So yeah, these are so classic. I mean, come on. Aren't these gorgeous? They're so beautiful. And they really just feel so, like, luxurious on your face. Like they just, and look, you can get crazy and they're not gonna come off. And these are such a, I mean, I just need to go to Vegas now. I need to go to Vegas because, you know, Versace, Vegas, like they go together. You know what I mean? So, do you guys want to know the prices? I feel weird. So this is what your receipt comes in. And then the sunglasses were $2.95. Okay, so the real tea is this bag. Are you ready? Are you ready? It's the Palazzo evening bag, I believe. And so this is the dust bag. It's like a cottony dust bag. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look.
Yo.
I mean,
Wow. That is so nice.
so this is what, oh my God, it feels so good. Like it feels so luxurious. This is what it looks like. So the chain is attached to the bag, so you can't actually like shorten it or anything. But of course, if you wanted to, you can just leave the chain inside and then hold it like a clutch. And then it has a compartment in the front. Then it has a zippered compartment. And this is where all the details and care info and everything. Look at this little card with the Versace on it. It's so little and cute. And then the main pocket has all the little slots and stuff for your credit cards and all that stuff so that you don't have to use a wallet. It's actually a lot thicker, heavier. Like it's actually a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be because it's pure leather. Oh my God, it smells good. It feels good. Like this shit feels so
That
expensive.
looks so good.
Oh, guys, look at the glitter of it. Oh my God. And the whole thing like is covered. Whereas the gold one that I originally wanted, only the flap is covered, not the whole thing. And these are Swarovski, so they're like super, super glittery. Oh my God. So I want to show you guys in comparison like how much stuff you can fit because this Gucci is the I think this is, I always get confused because there's like a mini and then there's like the regular size one and then there's a large one. I think this might be what's considered the mini, but this is actually pretty big. I think there's a smaller one, but it's not this shape. The smallest one is more round, I think. But this one is 5 by 8.5, I think, or 6 by 8.5, something like that. And this one is 5 by 7, so it is a little bit smaller, but only by like 2 inches. So I want to compare and show you guys how much I have. So in here, I usually have, this is what I had in here. My keys. Yeah, I fit a lot of stuff in here. So I usually will have like my phone, even with the case, it does fit. Then I have my keys. I even have a hand sanitizer in here. I have 2 lip products. My whole wallet, which is a Kate Spade little wallet. This is a little Kate Spade wallet, so it's not that big or small. And then that was it. So that was what's in here. This is really, really roomy, in my opinion. I don't carry a lot of stuff. You can fit a lot of stuff in it. So I want to see in comparison, and you guys will see too with me, how much we can fit in here. So I'm going to start by taking out the chain and the tags and everything so we can really get all the space. I'm gonna start with my wallet, and then I'm gonna put my keys in there. I'm gonna put just 1 lip product because it's more my style is to just bring 1. Let's put that on the side. Okay, so the hand sanitizer doesn't quite fit in there. Let's see. Oh, I made it fit. And then I guess I could put my phone in that first. Actually, I think I could fit it back here without the case. So, okay, so it did fit, but now I can't close it. So that's the difference with that because the flap on the Gucci is longer. The flap on this one is shorter. So let's take out the hand sanitizer and the phone because normally like you're really just holding your phone 24/7. Oh, there we go. So I was able to put my entire wallet in there, my keys and my lipstick. and it fit perfect. So that's really good, because that's normally what I that's normally what I carry anyway. So I mean, that's really good. Let's see if I can fit the chain in there while everything's in there. Probably could, because it would just go in the little crevices. Yes. Okay, with everything inside, I was still able to fit the chain. So that's amazing, because if you really want to use it for its maximum space, I completely save myself all the space of just taking out my ID, my credit card, and maybe some money, and completely ditch this. So if I did that, I would have way more space. Then I could fit my phone, the hand sanitizer, and I don't know, whatever else you want to put in there, I guess. Okay, so I took out my wallet and just put like my ID and my credit card, because normally that's all I really need. And I was able to fit my phone in there, and then I was able to fit the hand sanitizer. So I feel like you could put a lot of stuff in here if you really wanted to. You could put like a mini makeup compact if you have one. Like, I am really efficient at stuffing things in my bag, or like using little things. So I just think this is the perfect size, and it is such a statement with any outfit. Like, you could wear this with jeans and a t-shirt and a blazer, and you will look so expensive. But then you could also wear this with like a full-on gown, and it would just elevate your look that much. So I'm so in love with this. I can't wait till you wear it tomorrow night for Valentine's Day. I'm so excited to wear it. All right, guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the links for this stuff down below, and don't at me, because like I have Versace now, so don't even talk to me. Like, don't. You know, that's how the girls act on Instagram. I have a Gucci belt and a Versace, so like, don't talk to me. Okay, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.